Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the previous year GATE question number 100. This question is from GATE 2017 examination. So let us read the question. In the circuit shown, all elements are ideal and the switch S is operated at 10 kHz and 60% duty ratio. The capacitor is large enough so that the ripple across it is negligible and at steady state acquires a voltage as shown. The peak current in amperes drawn from a 50 volt DC source is okay. So they have asked for the peak current drawn from a source, that is a IS peak they have used. Okay, they have asked. So it is a IS peak we need to find. IS peak. Okay. So here if you check, when switch is in a on state, at that time source current is equal to IL. Okay, so we can write IS peak is nothing but IL max. So here IS peak is equal to what? It is a IL max only, right? So we need to find the IL max. This is the buck boost converter. Buck boost converter. Okay, and as we know, for the buck boost converter, yes, or for any converter, yes, IL max is equal to, yes, it is IL max is equal to IL average, that is IL plus delta IL by 2. Okay, so we need to find the IL average first and then delta IL by 2. Okay, so here what is IL average? Therefore IL average is equal to, yes, we are having the expression for IL average directly in terms of the I0. IL average is I0 upon 1 minus D. So it is the I0 upon 1 minus duty ratio or duty cycle. What is I0? It is a V0 by R. V0 is 75. So it is a 75 upon 5. Okay, divided by 1 minus duty cycle. So what is the duty cycle? It is a zero point 0.6. Right. So it is a 75 by 5 divided by 1 minus 0.6. Right. So it is a, you can write it as 37.5 ampere. This is the IL average. Next, what is the delta IL? We can write change in the inductor current, that is a delta IL, or the ripple in the inductor current. We are having the expression, we have already derived it. It is a source voltage, that is a Vs into T on, right, divided by L. So what is the Vs? It is a 50 volt into T on, that is a on time. So it is a D into T. D into T, right? So T can be written as 1 by frequency divided by inductor value, that is a L, right? So further we can write it as is equal to 50 into duty cycle is 0 0.6 divided by this 1 by F, it can be written as F into L. So what is the L? Is a 0 0.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 into the switching frequency. If you check the switching frequency, it is a 10 kilohertz. So it will be 10 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3 kilohertz, right? 10 into 10 to the power plus 3. Okay. So now we can find the delta IL. Once we get delta IL, we can find IL max, that is a peak value of inductor current is a 5. Okay, the 5 amp. So therefore the delta IL. Okay. So therefore IS peak, which is equal to IL max, is equal to, yes, IL average plus delta IL by, okay, we can write it as IL average is 37.5 plus it is a 5 by 2. It will be 40 ampere, right? 40 ampere, the peak value of the source current, right? So this is about the question number 100. In the next video we are going to discuss the question number 101. Thank you.